How to transfer Roblox account to another device. This tutorial shows you how to move your account without losing any progress. First, on your new device, open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website. Next, tap Sign In on the login screen. Following that, select Quick Sign In from the login options. Now, you'll see a special login code displayed on your new device's screen. Moving forward, leave that screen open and grab your phone where you're already logged into Roblox. Afterwards, open the Roblox app on your current device. In addition to that, tap More at the bottom right corner. Once there, scroll down until you find Quick Login and tap on it. Subsequently, you'll see a field where you can enter the login code that's shown on your new device. Moreover, carefully type in the code that's shown on your new device. Afterwards, make sure all the digits are entered correctly to avoid errors. Then, tap Confirm or Continue to verify the code. Within moments, your account will be transferred and logged in on the new device. Alternatively, you can log out from your old device if you want, or keep it signed in on both. And that's it. If this account transfer guide helped you play Roblox anywhere, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.